we are going to start a chapter. Yesterday we have discussed the chapter and most of point we have covered through the chapter. Chapter is interesting chapter. Understanding the media. Today media is playing the important role. Media is the mirror what is going on inside our country. So through a mirror we can see inside media what is going on. Every person can't access till different areas. हर कोई दूसरे एरिया तक नहीं जा सकता. तो whatever what is going on in that area, how do we know? We know through the media. What a media publish, we are watching or it is truth for us. वही हम सत्य मानते हैं. So many times dear student, media also set a agenda also. Media also cover up story through a different manners. Sometimes they are unable to give the balanced report to their viewers or customer, we can say in other words. And media also known as the fourth pillar in democracy. Those are news channels. When you are watching TV serial, news, television, radio, newspaper, these all are part of media. We can say these all are part of media. News channels, media, serial, these are the part of new media. And you know, this media are two types. One is the print media, where they are communicate to people or through the different areas in form of printing or in form of printing medium, that is known as the print media. Of like newspaper we are getting, it is the print media, example of print media. Another one is known as the electronic media. Of electronic media, example like a radio, television are a good example of electronic media, like a mail, net means through the cyber. So these are the example of electronic media. So we can say there are two types of media, print and electronic. Today media is approaching to the across of the world till mass populations, till lack of peoples, media able to cover up their news, able to cover their telecast till a mass communication. That's why this is known as the mass media. First point, I am repeating the topic. Today we will discuss five topic. First one, what is the mass media? Mass media today, newspaper, radio, television, they able to access or they able to telecast their news, their programs in thousands of people or maybe in mass communication or in across the world in globalization manner. So they are approaching telecasting their news, broadcasting their news in loud which area in across the world. So this is known as the mass media. This is known as the mass media. Up today, what is going on in America, we know through the news channel. What is going in other countries, we know through the news channels. So this is the mass media. Yes, any doubt? Some student has raised the hand. Okay. For attendance. So dear student, many student, maybe, chalo, okay. So this is known as the mass media. So you know media is covered up with a large population और mass communication और एक global world, एक पूरी दुनिया तक न्यूज़ पहुंच रही है. That is known as the mass media. इसको mass media बोलते हैं. Like different news channel, radio, newspaper. This is mass media. Second point, media and technology. So you know today we are watching news on news channel. So technology is required. Good quality of sound is required. Good quality of pictures are required. Okay. Proper telecast, live telecast are required. So this is the good quality of sound, pictures, cameras, light, helpers, different tools, studio. So these all the things are required. It means without technology, this can't possible. So technology must be required in media. Up before 10 to 15 years, before 1 or 2 decades, before 10 to 15 years, 20 years ago, we able to watch the sub telecast, live telecast? Yes or no, dear? We able to watch how the technology play the important role. You know, earlier time when I was in class 9, so there was the one story in my English textbook, NCRT book, when I was in class 9. So that was the time of 1996. 1996. Okay. So there was the one story during the World War. There was a famous news company, news agency. That name was the Writer. And Writer company, how to they send their message during the First World War? They cover up the report during First World War that was held 1914 to 1918. 1918, 1914. So how they cover up their stories? So they use the different symbols to indicate, to represent their news, to send their message. Like earlier they were used the smoke also. Suppose when they see the smoke or when 5 to 10 kilometer such indication of smoke, they also use the smoke, another one. So they use such indication during the earlier time. For a messenger earlier time, you have seen in the different news channel, movies or like they use the different word to convey the message. To convey the message also part of media. But earlier time there was no such technology. So they were used old technology. They said China wall. So you know China wall, what was the message given to each other? Ki if anyone maybe attack on us, so you just use the smoke. So when they see the smoke, so like such smoke, maybe like such smoke message was transferred to till rulers. So early time they were used the old technique, old method. Later on technology has developed. So in place of that, they started the writing part. So post office were installed, post office money. So they started the small size the postcard. That was the earlier during my childhood. It was just a 15 paisa. 15 पैसा टुडे मार्केट में रन भी नहीं करता, वो पोस्ट कार्ड आता था 15 पैसा. एंड इंटरनेशनल जो अंतरदेशीय अंतरदेशीय न्यूज मीन्स लेटर was 75 पैसा. इट वाज वी कैन इन क्लोजर लाइक बंद कर सकते थे उसको 75 पैसा. तो that was the case. So earlier during my education life, so how do we convey the message to our parents? Through the news, through the news means the through the letter only, postcard or such अंतरदेशीय paper. Okay. So we were use the postcard, 15 पैसा postcard आता था. There was the ticket or sign of 15 पैसा. We purchased from the post office or convey the message to our parents, because my school was the boarding school. So this was happened, technology developed later on the new papers or maybe writing part started. Later on, day by day changes. Okay, technology, only text messages started like telegram. So telegram through text messages started, means the text message sent करना start हुआ. Later on, developing technology, fax start हुआ. There was the fax machine like this, small machine, fax machine आती थी. FX, fax machine was started, so we got the message in fax. Okay. Then later on technology developed. In place of fax messages, they started like a mobile, through the news, televisions. Okay. Later on Android phones are developed. So you know day by day technology are developed. अब टेक्नोलॉजी इतनी फास्ट एंड फास्ट हो गई कि टुडे वी आर गेटिंग द लाइव टेलीकास्ट, बिकॉज अर्ली टाइम ओनली वर देयर वर द सेलेक्टेड चैनल्स. During earlier time, there was the one channel that was the DD National, okay, Doordarshan, DD National channel. Or during the that time, it was sometime it may be there was no such program which was telecast by the DD, okay. So there was the it was reopened during the evening time 4 to 5 p.m. Okay. So we will wait for the watching. There earlier time there was the black and white TVs. So during earlier time there was no such technology, so we were use the black and white TV to watch the serial of Ramayana and Mahabharata, which was broadcast by the Ramanand Sagar during Sunday or time I hope morning time 9 o'clock. So we were used the later on they started the another one new channel. That new channel was the DD Metro. I am discussing about the Rajasthan only here. Okay. So DD Metro is started. So two channels start हुए in Rajasthan. But today we are using the cable connection. We are using the Tata Sky. We are using the DD Direct. There are the Airtel. This. So there are lot of competition. There are lot of different channels are available. Today we are watching the more than 2 or 300, 400 channels. There is the which category of the channel. We don't know about Kannada, Malayalam, South channels, Eastern channels, you know, all sides, all from the different region. New channel are separated, movies channel are separated. So today we are lot, due to the technology, this is possible now. Why it is possible? Due to the technology. So technology plays the important role in media, in concern of media. Take this word in concern of media. So today medium is the, if anything happens, so you just receive the alert inside your mobile. Okay, tomorrow weather like this, these decisions are taken by the government. Like this, just a alert come in your mobile. So today technology is fast. Technology day by day fast हो रही है, okay? So technology always plays the important role in media. So that's why technology plays there. Up, how the technology comes through the money. By where from they purchase the camera, high quality of camera. जैसे earlier time cameras आते थे 5 or 600 rupees. Later on the digital cameras started 1,000 or 2,000 rupees. Later on the different type of digital cameras or maybe the such cameras are come. तो lakh of rupees कितने costly cameras आते हैं. Today's megapixel has increased megapixel. Earlier time mobile आते थे when Nokia mobile तो their camera was 2 megapixel. Up today 100 megapixel, 64 megapixel, 32 megapixel. This is the common. So quality has increased, technology has improved. Or when a temperature technology will improve, so it will be improve the picture quality. Up today's most of TVs are like a 4K TV आ रही है. 4K तो TV आती है, mobiles भी 4K आ गए. 4K. 4K mobiles means your picture quality will improve. So through the technology, media's quality has improved. So to purchase the technology, money is required. So media and money. Without money, media can't run. Who maybe invest on technology on media? So only rich person can invest. Everyone can't invest on that. So only money is required to telecast for a new channel, for a studio, for a live. That so money is required to only invest on that. Businessman, business houses will be invest on that. So big businessmen will be invest on that. So if so businessmen invest on money to purchase the technology. So from when they invest money, so they spend money on technology. So what are the income sources? Suppose I am investing money, I am spend money on the technology. So what will be income sources for me? Suppose you are reading the news, so you will pay. It is I hope prepaid rate. There will be no such charges. Free of cost रहेगी news. तो what are the sources from where they earn money? जो invest किया है. So this is only one source, that is advertisement. Or you are shocked, dear student. they are taking 1 or 2 seconds. I'm not sure, but as a 1 or 2 second charges is the 10 lakh rupees for this advertisement. 1 second जो advertisement, suppose anyone advertisement duration is 10 seconds, so they are charging 10 lakh rupees or more than 10 lakh rupees per second. So these are the income sources for a businessman. So you have seen during the news, during the serials, there will be between the serials, there is a gap for advertisement. During the movie, during the news channel, a advertisement is repeated and repeated and repeated. When they repeated, they can't create the image inside the permanent image inside the customer. So our next chapter is based on the understanding advertisement. So we'll discuss in details about advertisement. So you know, media totally depend what is the income sources for a businessman, that is only advertisement. Yesterday we have discussed a nice topic. कि in advertisement, when they are publishing the advertisement, so they have no such moral responsibility. They should be aware about the moral responsibility कि which advertisement should be published or not. अब many time if you have seen Ajay Devgan, ये good means the according my views is good personalities or a nice celebrities. Ajay Devgan today's we can say star or is advertising of a woman tobacco. It should his personality or not. क्या वो टोबैको विमल का एडवर्टाइजमेंट करता है तो व्हाट मैसेज इज गिविंग टू द सोसाइटी. यू आर सेलिब्रिटी यार. धर्मेंद्र his family never give the advertisement of wine. So how do you can support it? What is your personal life? It is different. But you are celebrity. You are a star. You are a hero of million of people. Or how you are giving the advertisement of tobacco or smoking? So where is your moral values gone, yeah, dear? Where is your moral values gone? So when such businessmen should be think about that, कि if they ignore few item only on television, in every families are watching the television on news channel. Small kids also watching the news channel. Children also watching the news channel. What message you want to convey to them? If you are writing here, smoking is injurious to health, tobacco is injurious to health, it is not for the for an adult like this. So such messages are not sufficient. If you know all the things are not good, then why you are publishing that? Why you are telecasting that? If you think about that, it is not good for society. These are running for to increase the revenue taxes for government. So leave that matter till government only. Why you are publishing such advertisement? That is their life. I can't criticize him, but my personal views, such person should be ignored. Such advertisement only. There are lot of advertisement. There are lot of product. कितने ऐसे प्रोडक्ट है जिनके एडवर्टाइजमेंट वो कर सकते हैं. तो दे मस्ट बी दे आर हीरो फॉर ए नेशन यार. तो दे शुड बी ट्राई टू इग्नोर. डियर, एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? कि ऐसा तो नहीं मैं गलत कह रहा हूं बेटा?
No sir, you are right.
तो they are just a hero यार. We proud on them. So they should be ignored the such advertisement. So many businessmen they are investing. चलो okay, there is no such negative criticism is given related to advertisement in this chapter. But what is the fact? That's why I have explained here. Sorry for it if anyone may be hurt. So it is the fact here. What we have. चलो, तो businessmen as invest money or through the advertisement they are earning, or advertisement is repeated and repeated. You see, later on media and democracy. So you know democracy means what? So first we will discuss there are three forms of government: monarchy, dictatorship, and democracy. Monarchy ruled by king and queen, dictatorship ruled by the military commander or single person. Okay, कोई भी तानाशाह. Third one is the democracy where the rule by the all elected member which represent by the public. Those are voters 18 years above. So in democracy, what decisions are government is taking? Government are focusing on public problem on or not. How press conference are held? What step our government are taking for a COVID-19? So how do we know about that? Through the media. In media able to cover up the what is going on. In media cover up what is the truth. In media cover up or maybe the government unable to take the good decision. So media maybe criticize the government. So such country will be smoothly run. What are the government development programs? What are the government's scheme for children, for education, for health, for defense? Okay. So media plays the important role in democracy. We know about our democracy through the media. What are prime minister? What are chief minister? What are education minister? Okay, what decision they are taking? How do they sort out the public problem or not? What is going on inside the our state or country? So this we know through the only media. So yesterday we have discussed this point also many times. Media only support to the few political parties. So it is not good. It is not good competition in democracy, democratic country. When if media maybe support to any one political party, so they never criticize the such political party, or when they never criticize the such political party. So when such political party may be in form of government in majority, so what decisions may be taken by the government, they never criticize it. It may be wrong or good decision. So media should be play the important role for a democracy. Of what is the balance report? So regarding this topic, dear student, in your book there is the story is given, or I will summarize the story. I explain the summary of the story given in break about case study. So media should be focus a balanced report. Of there is the one example in one story given in your book related to crackers factory, पटाखों की जो फैक्ट्री होती है crackers factory. तो in cracker factory polluting the surrounding or that area, so or it may be the harmful for the public. Though smoke may be discharged by their chimneys or maybe such crackers. So such may be not a good for public. So that is the one side story. If government maybe shut off the factory or maybe close the factory, so what action, what result will be held, that is another one side. Another one is the suppose if government may close the factories, so many people who are working inside the factories, they may be unemployed. Their family will be suffer. Their children will be suffer. Those family depend direct or indirect. Direct means that I am doing job inside factory. That is the direct independency. Or indirect, anyone maybe the this is suppose from where I am purchasing the goods. So there are many shop maybe depend on the indirectly on factories. Maybe shop are depend on us or we are depend on factory. So that is indirect dependency. Okay. So जैसे चंदेरिया indirect dependency comes on the Birla factory. So in such condition, so there are many people will be affected when a government maybe close the factory. So government should be, yani media should be publish the such news that are the negative impact, or if government close the factory, so what will be impact on the such category. So government should be try to sort out the problem of that. So government may be shifted the factory from that area to in such area where is the less densely populated are living, जहाँ पे बहुत कम लोग रहते हैं, तो that is known as the balance report. So it is the duty of media to publish only balanced report, balance. But sometimes media publish only one side of story, one side of page. Take another one example. Suppose if media publish them only कि during the COVID school should be off, that is the one side story. But think about the students, those what happens if they unable to attend the classes, what will be impact on that if they may be without book 4 to 5 months. So then what happens? So media should be cover up the both side story. So it is my views कि media should be publish the balanced report. If this action will be taken by government, so this will be happen or category will be suffer, that should be covered up by media. Okay, so dear student, now we have completed our today's topic. We have discussed today mass media, media and technology, media and money, business houses, media, how to play the role in democracy, and what is the balance report. If you have any doubt, you may be asked.